Hi viewers, today I'm gonna share you the recipe of Peanut Masala Chat, which is very healthy, tasty and nutritious. Let's see the ingredients. Take a frying pan and add 1 cup peanuts. Roast it on low flame for 10 minutes. Turn off the flame and let it cool down completely. Remove the skin and break into halves. Take a frying pan and add 1 tablespoon oil. Add the broken peanuts. Roast well for 2 minutes. Add 1/4 tablespoon chaat masala, half tablespoon chili powder, some pepper and 1 teaspoon turmeric. Mix well until everything combines. Turn off the flame and let it cool down completely. After peanuts completely cool down, add half cup grated carrot, half cup finely chopped onions and half cup chopped tomatoes. Add some coriander, half tablespoon lemon juice and salt as per required. Mix well. Healthy and tasty peanut masala chat is ready. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, hit the like button, drop a comment how you got this recipe and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Delicious Foods. Thanks for watching. Bye.